English Japanese verb go. Go left right arrow.
行く、
Funny past, went, drills. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to level up your Japanese? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll tame the English Japanese verb go equals.
行く、
And the past went equals.
行った、
Expect laughs, quick wins, and real lifelines you can use today. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say the key forms with confidence, short, sharp, done. Go.
行く、
You went.
行った、
He went.
彼は行った、
We went.
行った、
They went.
彼らは行った。
Forms with a grin. Say them out loud. Your mouth learns faster than your memory. Base verb. Go equals.
行く、
It's your Swiss Army knife. Past. Went equals.
行った、
The secret sauce. That double T sound. He went equals.
彼は行った。
He's already out the door. They went equals.
彼らは行った。
Poof, gone like ninjas. We went equals.
行った。
Context says it's we. Teamwork. Mini dialogue at the gate. Listen once, then echo the Japanese bits with me. You, ready? Let's go.
行く。
Friend, yesterday, he bailed early, he went.
彼は行った。
You, no stress. Today, we went on time.
行った。
Narrator, dramatic whisper, they went too.
彼らは行った。
Call and response drill. I say English, you shout Japanese after the pause. Big voice, big memory. Go.
行く。
You went.
行った。
He went.
彼は行った。
We went.
行った。
They went.
彼らは行った。
Culture tip. Sound twin alert. Tiny warning that saves big face. Went, is.
行った。
Don't mix it with, said, that's.
行った。
Same sound, different kanji and meaning. If you tell your boss you went the report, you may also went your job. Kidding, mostly. Lightning quiz. Fast questions, faster brain. Answer before the ding. Q1, how do you say, go? A.
行く。
Q2, translate, you went. A.
行った。
Q3, he went in Japanese? A.
彼は行った。
Q4, they went, please. A.
彼らは行った。
Q5, we went. A.
行った。
Tiny challenge. Make 3 mini lines. You've got this. 1. Say, we went by train. Try, we.
電車で行った。
2. Say, he went home.
彼は行った。
Plus, home, context works, or fully.
彼は家に行った。
3. Say, let's go. Natural shout.
行こう。
Bonus form, or base cheer.
行く。
Wrap up. You nailed it, short, strong, and sticky. Today you mastered go.
行く。
You went.
行った。
He went.
彼は行った。
We went.
行った。
And they went.
彼らは行った。
Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing daily. And visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons, drills, and freebies. See you next time. Now go.
行く